Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. We're going to show you the Compustar newest remote T13 installed on a Subaru BRZ 2013. We've installed in this vehicle the T13 as a starter and alarm. So basically anything that gets triggered in the vehicle, shock sensor, hood sensor, door sensors. In this case we have also the FTDAS2, which has also the window brake sensor and tilt sensor. Will all indicate on the remote in here. The Compustar T13 two-way, very nice sleek LED remote. If we want to see the screen, we're going to press once on the start button. We're going to press second time, we can see the vehicle status, will give us the voltage in the vehicle, will give us the temperature, show us the vehicle is locked, and other status options. To lock the car, obviously we have the lock button in here. Unlock the vehicle, we have the unlock in here. Every functions we have confirmation on the remote. To start the vehicle, so we're gonna lock the car, start the vehicle, hold the start button. We're gonna hold the start. It's gonna start the vehicle. We receive a command in here, the car started. You can see here the car is started. We're gonna have remote start, we're gonna have timing. We can also turn off the car from here, so we're gonna hold the start button again. The car will shut off. For the trunk, so we don't have any extra buttons in here. So the trunk is actually very easy to do. You hold the unlock button, and we're gonna have the trunk open. This vehicle is just a quick pop, so we're gonna close it back quickly. Actually, we'll show you actually a sample. So the remote will alert you. So for example, I'm trying to lock the car and we have the trunk open. So I'm gonna press here. I'm gonna have a trunk showing me here that the trunk was open. Same thing in regards to doors, same things in regards to the hood and other settings. So again, we're gonna lock the car. One of the nice things about this remote is the proximity feature. The proximity feature, even though this car is a push button and you can just hold the door, but you have the nice proximity feature, which means all you have to do is walk to the vehicle without the keys, and you don't even have to touch the door. As soon as you're going to get close, we have the door opening for us. The distance is about 6 feet away from the vehicle, but again, it's a nice feature. In vehicles that has push button, you might not care about it, but in vehicles that has a regular key, it gives you the feeling of kind of having a push button, just come to the car, door is unlocked. The Compustar T13 and other Compustar devices are available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channels and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.